This is the Los Angeles Police Department activating the Amber Alert system for all of the state of California, Nevada, Arizona, Oregon, and Utah. A child has been abducted from an address at 843 South El Molino Avenue in Pasadena, California, and is believed to be in danger. The child's name is Reese Kiera Valsborough. She is a 17-year-old white female, 5 feet 9 inches tall, 130 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes, last seen wearing a black dress. Authorities confirmed Reese was headed to a friend's home for a Christmas-related festival. Driven by her father Marco Valsborough. They never drove to the party, according to Reese's friends, who said they waited for hours but to no avail, even with texting and calling Reese's phone. They are traveling in a red 2015 Cadillac CTS with gray stripes and a camo pattern on the side of the vehicle bearing California license plate 6DXE197. If you have any information, please call 911 immediately.